While much of the media focus has been on the DMK-led alliance versus BJP battle, the truth is the AIADMK still remains a factor in Tamil Nadu politics, even if it's going under the radar. Ever since December 2016, when its leader J. Jayalalitha passed away, the AIADMK has splintered and imploded. It now faces an existential crisis. One reason why the AIADMK is hoping to quietly make a comeback now under the leadership of E. Palanisamy. We've come here to South Chennai to meet one of the AIADMK's star candidates, Dr. J. Jayawardhan, who was one of the youngest MPs when he won here in 2014. The difference is J. Jayalalitha was still around there. Can the AIADMK make a comeback? It's one of the X factors in this election. A party which has always got more than 30% of the vote. Dr. Jayawardhan, I want to ask you this. The media is positioning this 2024 election in Tamil Nadu as DMK versus BJP. Is AIADMK still very much a factor which is not being given its due importance according to you?
In your question itself, the answer is there, sir. Media only is projecting like that. If you see at the ground level, it is definitely a war, fight between AIADMK and DMK.
But I still saw you all using the word Purachi Talaivar. You still remember Jayalalitha.
AIADMK as each and every party cadre. Whenever we make a speech, we always start with Perunja Perundage Anna, then Purachi Talaivar, then Purachi Talavi Amma, then EPS.
So in a way, Anna, MGR, Jayalalitha are still your leaders. You are still appealing for votes in their name.
Yeah, because they are the ones who brought about development in Tamil Nadu.
Can I ask you to take me to the party cadre and ask them you are voting still in the name of Amma? Or are you voting for Palanisamy? Who is their leader still of AIADMK?
அம்மாவுக்கு ஓட்டு
They have answered in a very brilliant way. They had said, we will vote in the name of Amma, in the name of EPS, and who follows the path of Purachi Talavi Amma. They are very clearly said.
They are very clear about it.
But Amma is not there anymore.
Her legacy is there, right? Her legacy is there. Purachi Talavar's legacy is there.
What does Amma mean for you? What does Amma mean for
Amma
you?
means for the life. Amma means the life.
Even today, Amma is still your
Number one leader.
Still Jayalalitha. Amma.
No one can be compared to Amma.
But you have got a very powerful DMK on the other side. Your DMK is very powerful.
That doesn't match us.
Stalin, Udaynithi, Stalin.
We have got a party.
DMK is not a party. What is it?
It's
a family.
It's a family.
It's a corporate company. It's a family.
What is the bigger issue in parts like this? Issues like floods and the manner in which they were handled, or national issues like Sanatan Dharma or Kachi Thivu?
Here, people are more centric towards Tamil Nadu. People have a mentality towards what is happening in Tamil Nadu. They are really not bothered about the central impact.
It is not about having Modi as Prime Minister or who will be the leader. No.
It is not about that. It is about local issue. Because of the anti-people stand by the DMK, they are unable to carry on with their regular household, meaning they are not able to buy things because of price raising.
So you're saying local issues matter much more. Price rise will matter much more. Who handled the flood situation better will matter much more. What is easier, being a doctor or being a politician?
My ambition was always to become a politician. Because as a doctor, you will be able to treat patients who come to you. As a policy maker, you will be able to create hospitals.
Annamalai, what do you have to say? Is he the new young king of Tamil Nadu politics?
It's all hype.
All hype?
It's all hype.
BJP is all hype. You were aligned with the BJP till a few years ago.
Yeah, we were aligned, but we made a stand and then we cut off their ties.
Doctor, thank you very much. I wish you all the very best, as I wish all candidates. Thank you. It's hot in Chennai, super hot. So what am I getting? We call this chas in North India. More बोलते हैं ना आप उसको more. Yes sir, more in Tamil. And of course buttermilk. When you want to beat the heat and you're in Chennai, you need buttermilk. That's the secret, I'm told, of Dhoni's success. Dhoni best player or not?
Best player, sir. All-rounder player.
Show me Dhoni's shot, how he plays. Are lovely. Lovely. That's what I like. Enjoy. Buttermilk more. Okay, now one of the more intriguing questions during a Lok Sabha election is, do people vote on issues of national leadership or do they choose local or hyper-local issues? Just a few months ago in the area where we are now, Pramod, Vellacheri, in South Chennai, there were floods and large parts of this area were underwater. People didn't have electricity for days. Over a dozen people died. And the reason we were given: overflowing lakes, stormwater drains blocked, and dare I say illegal construction over water bodies like in many other cities of this country. Let's go and meet some of the people who suffered in those days. You will vote on issues of leadership, Modi, Rahul Gandhi, Stalin, Palanisamy, or you will vote for who will provide you better drainage?
No, then Modiyo, illa Rahul Gandhiyo, illa ADMKyo, DMKyo, nobody else, people are not given the vote for this area. The people are fully suffering and sitting there.
So you will not vote in this election?
No.
You are not going to voting booth?
No.
You are not interested in voting. What about you?
Interested.
You will go and vote?
Same ideas. Yeah, we are affecting more and more every year.
இந்த அளவு வந்துச்சு ஒரு 6-7 நாள் ஒரு வாரம்
Did any politicians come to help?
இது வரைக்கும் இன்னும் வந்ததே கிடையாது ஆனா 6000 ரூபாய் பணம் கொடுத்தாங்க ரேஷன் கார்டுக்கு கொடுத்தாங்க எல்லாருக்கும் கொடுத்தாங்க யாருக்கும்
6,000 rupees was given. Madam, who will you vote for?
ஸ்டாலின் சார் தான்.
Stalin sir.
கடைசியில் வந்து பார்த்தாங்க அந்த ஏரியா ஃபுல்லாவே வெள்ளக்காடு தான். ஓட்டு போட்டாலும் ஓட்டு போட்டு செய்ய 10 வருஷமா ஆட்சி ஆழ்ந்தாங்க. என்ன செஞ்சாங்க? மக்களுக்கு என்ன செஞ்சாங்க? ஒன்றும் செய்யலையே.
Now election time has come. Will he vote on local issues or national issue?
எந்த இஷ்யூவும் ஓட்டுலாம் இல்லை. அவனும் நல்லது பண்ண போறது இல்லை. புரியுதுங்களா உங்களுக்கு? எல்லாம் இப்பெல்லாம் தான் எலெக்ஷன் வருது. காக்கா பொடி கோசம் வந்து கேட்கணும். இனிமேல் 100 இப்ப சொல்றாங்க சிலிண்டர் 100 ரூபாய், பெட்ரோல் 75. எதுக்கு சொல்றாங்க? சும்மா எல்லாம்.
Pramod is going to take me far away from all of this because you are promising me a special lunch, Chennai style.
Daughter, sir, after hot sun, let me take you to a place where you can have flavor and taste just like Chennai.
Okay, so after the hot sun, and it is really hot, blazing hot, we are going to get something very special Chennai style, or should I say Pramod style. Let's go. Special lunch coming up. Okay, Pramod, fishy business, in Chennai. Okay, Pramod has told me that when you're in Chennai and it's lunchtime, you need a good fish thali by the beach, right?
Yes, sir. That's the beach, and you have thali here.
Thali, okay. Hello, Amma. Amma, good afternoon.
Sir, vanakkam.
Vanakkam. Shark meat,
Shark meat, yes, sir.
squid, prawns, crab, shark meat,
Baby crab.
baby crab. Nice.
Yeah, please, sir. One try, sir.
Baby crab, excellent. There are more fish here than there are political parties in Tamil Nadu. Very fishy business.
Yes, sir.
Baby crab and prawn masala with rice. Okay, now when I finish journalism, I have decided I am starting a fish restaurant. Very
Sir,
nice.
fish curry and white rice, sir.
Fish curry, white rice. Arey, uske baad I will go to sleep. Tell me what's going to happen in the elections.
DMK.
DMK, not BJP?
No, not at all.
Why DMK?
There is no partiality. Here there is no religious kind of things. No drama.
No, people are saying a lot of corruption is there in DMK government.
No.
Ministers have been put in jail.
Yeah. It's there in BJP parties. It's there. They are doing that.
You are saying BJP is putting ministers in jail.
Yes, of course.
तुम्हारी हिंदी ठीक है? ठीक है। अब हिंदी यहाँ बोल सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता, लोग समझ लेते हैं। No Hindu Muslim problem, no North South problem.
Never.
Never.
Even in Tamil Nadu.
No, never in
Tamil Nadu.
You will vote for candidate or party?
Candidate.
Candidate. What about Prime Minister Modi?
He's a good leader.
Good leader.
Sir, fish curry,
Fish curry,
garbage, anda, and the rice.
Chennai special fish, red snapper.
Prawn, sir. This one squid, sir.
Okay. What else have you got?
Baby crumbs.
This is what I was looking for. The baby crab. This is a real fish meal. We've got shark meat, we've got squid, prawns, baby crabs, pomfret, red snapper, and of course, my rice. As we say here in Chennai, this is a fishy table, Pramod, that you've given me. But your politics is also rather fishy, isn't it? And flavory. Lots of alliances can shift.